Today we are having one less candidate, Komal. Now I am going to discuss regarding how the QSpider helped her to get place, how we help her to get place. Hi.
Hi sir.
When did you join QSpider?
On 6th February 2025.
Can you share your experience, please?
Okay, so I joined QSpiders on 6th February 2025. It was a great experience. I took a break for 2 months. Then I continued my journey for 2 more months. I did put all extra hard work for 2 more months, and all the trainers are very experienced and knowledgeable. They are patient and very supportive. All the environment here at QSpider is very good, and I really liked it. And I got placed.
How many interviews did you attend?
I did total 3 interviews in the last month.
Okay, on 3 interviews you got placed.
Almost in the last interview I got placed.
What are the subjects you studied?
Here I learned about Python full stack. First we started with the SQL, then we go to the Python, and then we are going for web tech, that is HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Then there is React, but I got placed before React.
And what is the special thing in QSpider?
Well, I would say the trainers.
Okay. Have you attended the mock interview on presentations?
Yeah, I have taken mock interviews, SQL, HTML, CSS, Python. I got remocks. So then.
Still remock, you got placed. How?
Trainers mock is harder than the real interview.
Okay.
That's why I got remocked so many times, especially in the game set. His mock interview is so hard, you can't clear it. Real one is easy. He says one thing, if you clear my mock, you can clear any interview in real life.
Then you are saying that after getting the remock also, we are going to give the chance for the sitting in the interview.
Yeah, of course.
Because remock is going to get, after study you are going to get credit.
The mocks improved my confidence, my communication, and obviously my skills.
How many mocks you can give for one subject?
For one subject, well, it depends. Like HTML is easy, so I cleared it in 1. And for Python, I think I have given 4 or 5. Still the mock.
Okay. But like how many rounds did you attend in the company?
For my last company, I attended like 3 rounds. First one is technical. Second round was also technical. And third round was HR, final round.
Any question did they ask from the out of syllabus?
No, nothing was out of syllabus. Everything was instant.
What are the changes you are seeing the day you joined and the day you got placed?
Well, I never thought I got placed. So I joined like, okay, they are giving knowledge, so why not take it? Placement is the second scenario, but after 6 months, dedicated for the exams, I got placed, and I still can't believe it. It's been like 10 days I got placed, and I can't believe it.
What message you want to give to the your juniors who are available now here to study or going to join here?
I like to say stay hard on your skills, and trust me, personal guidance really matter, and communication also really matters, and that's it.